Assalamualaikum, hi guys, my name is Ismail and you're watching chekmael Free. So today I am actually wanting to kind of reorganize my wardrobe situation at the back here. I think I moved in last year about November, December. So it has been like about 8 months. It's quite long already. So and then I set up this wardrobe, and then I don't know, after a while it doesn't really, I actually love the way that I've actually installed the things and whatnot, but I felt that after you live in the house and then you go through your daily life, I feel that it's not really working for me. I just hang those clothes too high. Visually, I feel that wow, it's very nice, it's very proper and whatnot, but to live your daily life choosing your clothes, it becomes a bit of a hassle and whatnot. So I think I'm gonna reorganize. Plus I think it's time. It's like when I keep looking at it like no, it's not working, it's just for show. Like, who are you gonna show anyway? I've had a very uninspiring week. I mean, like, I'm just like you know, one of those days where you just like why is everything not turning out the way that you want it to be? So work is fine, it's more workload. You know, my boss keep adding stuff and I want whatever. My superior had an accident, but that was cleared, it was fine. And then my boss wants to push some things and I'm like, okay, fine. It's just basically work stuff. And then, you know, it's like, you know, you go to work, you come home, you go to work, you come home, and that's it. Like, it's, and then when you want to meet friends, it's a bit difficult now. Plus whatever lah. When these things happen, the only person that I would turn to is my super best friend. She's in Indonesia, so the only thing that I can do is to actually text her, and then before I even manage to text her, I receive a text from her, and then she was like, hey, guess what? I have dengue. Okay. My god, like, please stay safe. Plus she's in Indonesia and the COVID case there is like, I should be grateful that I'm living in Singapore. She's fine, my friend's fine. She's like, you know, she's great and whatnot. So yeah, so I think I am going to reorganize so that it can make my life feel a bit better. Plus, you know, ever since I put up that cleaning video, I've decided to just be a lazy piece of trash. I just didn't want to do anything. Maybe because I'm so uninspired to do anything. It's just one of those days like I just don't want to do anything, but that leads to so many things that I have to complete. So maybe I should just share with you some of the things that I've decided to be irresponsible and put away that structure that I already built up. So yeah. Okay, so this is Sunday morning at my area. I feel like it's very peaceful, it's very tranquil, I feel, when there's no people around, of course. So yeah, let me just close. I'm quite an antisocial person. So if you remember, this is how my wardrobe looks like. I have all these IKEA things built up. The clothes keep presenting itself because I've been buying more clothes. It's the only thing that keeps my sanity, which is to buy more stuff that I don't need. I feel like this is just a waste of space. As much as I love how I kind of show my bags, I think I've had enough. I've been into polo tees a lot, so I've created a section with all my polo tees, and then I don't really wear my t-shirts that much, and then I always go to all these casual trousers. This, they are not really what I wear most of the time. I need to reorganize to the way that, you know, I can live my life better. I actually moved all these pictures that my late father draw. I put it over here because I decided to turn the cozy corner back into the dressing area. And look at how irresponsible I am, just dumping clothes. I've washed my clothes and then I just, because they were on hangers, so I just like leave them here. My sarong. The hangers are on the floor. I just don't care anymore. After I do my laundry, I fold them and then I just leave this on this chair here. Just pick whatever I need and then I just move on. I have socks on the floor. Oh my god, what have I become? I was looking for something and then I just like didn't want to put things back. This is my bedroom. Even my prayer mat, I still leave it there. At least, you know, it reminds me to never miss your prayers. This is my sofa. I just lie down and then don't want to put the pillows back. I decided to create some kind of like a display area here. I kind of like it. Plus I can get to put flowers here. Anyway, this is called a double petal lily from my understanding, but it's not even double. One, 2, 3, 4, 5 petals in a lily. How generous is that? And it smells fantastic and it's dying. So I think I get like a good 2 more days to enjoy it. So this is back to square one because, you know, I don't have like a proper desk or sitting area. So I always like have my meal here. I do my editing here. When I come to work, I just dump all my bags here. It's working for me. So 2 of my close friends gave this to me, and then another friend from work gave this to me. It's an air fryer, game changer for a person who doesn't really bother to cook. So yeah. So since I started I'm kind of regretting it. It's so tiring and it's so boring. I thought like just to unscrew those screws, so much work. So I'm gonna have a short break. I think the reason that I'm so like tired and uninspired is because of my diet. I was planning to go on a diet, but it's not working. I don't necessarily exercise. So anyway, let's have a Tim Tam break. Why is chocolate so delicious at times like this? One more. Do you know that Tim Tam is from Australia, I think? Made in Australia. Whoa, fancy. Oh no, I ate half already. Okay, let's go. Okay guys, so this is how I wanted my wardrobe to look like. So there's one shelf here, one shelf below, and then the rod hanging in the middle. So this will translate to the rest of it, 1, 2, likewise 3 and 4. So I have like 4 hanging rods just straight across so that it's easy for me to reach the clothes. So these 2 will stay like that, likewise, and then all these folded things I have to split them to these 2 other wardrobes. And of course, while I was doing this, my drill decided to lose its battery power, so I have to do everything by hand. Yay. So this is the end result of what I was probably thinking all this while, like how am I going to make this better still. So I actually kind of like it, even though I always thought that if I have this part, this hanging, and then this hanging side by side, I don't really like how there's two here and then there's like one whole stretch. I just feel that it's not even, but I feel that it's actually not that bad. Let me just run through with you what I did, because I don't actually use all these clothes that much. So these are my outer and these are my smart pants. This stretch of clothes is what I normally gravitate to. So I have my t-shirts, I have my short sleeve shirt, I have my long sleeve, and then I have my trousers over here. And then all my folding clothes, I decided to put it at the bottom part, because when I was actually putting it on the shelves, I feel that the shelving is starting to bend. So I thought, okay, because it's too much stress, too much weight, too much clothes, basically. So yeah. So, and then all the bags, I've decided to actually just put them on top, because I don't actually use any of those bags. It's just for show. From where they have like a whole shelves to themselves before, now I have to actually squeeze them, which I'm actually quite okay with it. I just need to see the sides of the bag. So because I've already like experienced having those beautiful setup for a few months, and okay, I think it's finally to live a better life. Okay, so these are all my outers, and then all my smart pants is all over here. This box has all my backpacks. This has my fur coat. Can you believe it? I have a fur coat. And then I have like hats, and then I have all the accessories all in that boxes. And then I have my t-shirts, and then because I don't have space for one of these bags, I just decided to put it over here first. I have all my outer stuff here, which is all my knitwear, and then all my cardigan, all the thicker winter stuff, if there's such a thing called winter in Singapore. This is my soft spot for all my Vivienne Westwood accessories, or my bags over here. I have my shirts over here, and then below is all my folded t-shirts and some boxes of shoes. All the bags are sideways because I already know how they look like, so it doesn't matter. These are all my long sleeve t-shirts and long sleeve shirts, and then these are all my folded shirts and folded sweatshirts. And then I have like a box of like a container of scarves, more bags, and then all my casual trousers that I always wear when I go to work. And then I have all my folded trousers. Yay! It was a lot of work, but the thing is, it's not done yet because I still have this to go through, and then I have all this mess that I have to go through. So yay, until I see you next time. Bye.